Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing this Domino's pizza. It's called the Pepperoni Pizza. So let's try it. So it has pepperoni, cheese, and sauce on it. Let's try. That's very good. Domino's is really good. And I also have my favourite drink, Force. And so I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day.